Ryan, I know you enjoyed this pool, but I really want to show you this house.
Oh, come on, 2 more minutes?
It's the most amazing house in Englewood. You have to see it. Let's go, Ryan.
Okay. Fine, but this property is amazing.
So this is resort living like you've never seen before. This basketball court and tennis court is very special.
Wow.
The owner is an avid tennis player, but you know what he did? He was able to get the city to do a test, pollution light test.
Whoa.
So those lights on that tennis court could be played at night.
Wow.
And because of the trees behind it, it's very private.
No, I went straight to the pool when I first got here. So thank you so much for having me. I've heard about this house. People talk to me about this property. I know there's a lot of detail that's gone into it. So let's get started. Let's do the tour.
Let's do it. Okay, Ryan, this is 8 bedrooms, 8.5 bath,
Wow.
3-story house.
Wow.
That is for resort living. This is where you create unbelievable memories. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle.
I can tell. So you've got the pool here, you've got the hot tub, the sunken tennis court, basketball court, the playground, you have rolling grass, you have that fire pit, you have incredible landscaping. I love this stone, by the way.
It's gorgeous.
Please.
It's really outdoor, indoor living. As you can see, there's the dining room. You can just come right outside with all your guests. You can grill right behind you. It is truly a resort-style house in New Jersey, of all places. You don't have to go to the Hamptons. You don't have to go down the shore.
And at night, everything glows up. You put the fire pit on. It is so peaceful and serene.
And the music, all the scents all around the pool. You can have parties at night, and your neighbors, you can't even see anyone. These trees block everyone from outside.
So you've got the privacy that you need when you're raising your family. You've got the serenity that you need when you're having that birthday party or the engagement party, right? But can we see the inside? I mean, the outside, I could just stay out here forever, but you've got 8 bedrooms, 8.5 bathrooms. These finishes are incredible. I know there's a lot of secrets and hidden things in here too.
We want to show you the kitchen first, if
Okay,
that's
okay. How many kitchens are there?
There are actually 4.
4. 4. Let's do it.
4.
Wow, this is incredible.
I told you. But you know something? I've never seen this before? 3 6-burner stoves by Wolf. I mean, it's incredible.
No, it's amazing, and it's also set up kosher.
Right.
Right?
And Ryan, get this.
What?
Nadia is going to show you a big surprise.
Ryan, I have a surprise for you.
That's what he just said. Let's do it. Okay.
So behind this 2 doors, which seems like it's a cabinet
This is
doors.
where the food is. This is the pantry.
Oh,
No.
You open it up. This is where the butler's pantry is.
The
And
butler-
a
oh.
second kitchen. Yeah.
I told you.
Whether you're entertaining or cooking or just, lounging around, this space is meant to create connections.
Awesome. And this is also perfect for prep. So if you're having an event, right, this can be kind of the messy area. You're prepping hors d'oeuvres, you're getting everything here. The caterers can come and go. You have multiple means of egress, and it's brand new. Does anyone actually live here?
It's a weekend house.
Yes. And if you're having a private party, your staff is here and your guests are out there.
Let's
so they
keep
don't see anything.
going. I got to see where all these guests are going to go. I've only seen the kitchen. Come on.
Let's
Let's go. So this is where all the grand parties and dinners are happening. Look at how big this table is.
Wow.
You could fit so many people. And look at, there's another bar, wine fridge, seriously partying like you've never seen before. And elegant dinners also at the same time.
So what I love about this space
Yeah.
is the sense of privacy. If you're entertaining, if your kids have friends over, you could lock it up and have the space completely private, and you don't know what's going on in any of the rooms.
Well, you do know what's going on because I'm just going to pull this out. You have security all the way throughout. This is on this iPad. The iPads can float. You can also have this on your phone. The whole house is incredibly smart. So from the Lutron lights to the speakers, the audio system here I think could rival Madison Square Garden. The speakers are also hidden in the drywall so you're not looking at them when you're on the interiors, and everything is right here. You could also listen to see what's going on. Obviously there's privacy so you're not listening in bedrooms or bathrooms.
Do you think you can hear your driver in the car?
Hold on, let me see. What's he doing?
There he goes.
I can.
Yes, you can.
What's he doing in there? He's probably watching
Right.
BitTorrent Russian movies
You
right
got
now.
it.
But something else that I just want to make sure that I point out too that makes this home really, really special is what we have over here. These doors open completely. Right? So you can have that privacy. So you can kind of bifurcate the rooms this way. And this is easy and it closes. But these are the details that I obsess with, right? Because this is not just a brick and mortar or a drywall and steel home. Like you said, this is resort style living, but it's built for a family that's going to really appreciate this amount of space in Englewood that has great neighbors, great friends, and a great sense of community. And everyone's just going to want to hang out at this house because it's so amazing.
But you're only 15 minutes into Manhattan.
Yeah, I know, I just came from there. We got here way too early.
It's incredible.
That's why I went right to the pool. Let's keep going.
So, Ryan, I really want to show you the master retreat. There's also 6 more bedrooms up here with 6 more full bathrooms. But wait till you see these closets.
Well, if the closets are anything like these ceiling heights and the amount of storage and bookshelves, oh, wow.
Your wife is going to be jealous and she's going to probably make you move here. So, Ryan, check this master suite out.
Unbelievable.
Oh.
Unbelievable.
Look at these ceilings. You've got the corner exposure, beautiful light, so clean. I don't think you're telling me the truth when you tell me someone actually lives here and that they have 4 kids and
4 kids.
8 bedrooms for in-laws
on
and
4
guests.
levels.
It's amazing. These closets are incredible. That bathroom is a spa.
Oh, yeah.
That closet's incredible. How many closets are in this house?
2 closets, his and hers.
Each bedroom has their own private bathroom and full closet.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
You and I could put all of our suits in there.
I know, and then some.
Color code, it would be really, really, really great.
Yeah, and my sneakers.
So on this floor, you have this incredible primary, and then what
Correct.
else?
You have 4 more bedrooms with full bathrooms. Also upstairs, you have 2 more rooms. One is a bedroom and another one is an office that can be converted into another bedroom.
Got it. So you can just have every kid's slumber party here that you'd ever want.
Or every family member you never want to see again could stay here too.
And then everything is smart in here. It's all on your phone. You can turn off everyone's lights, everyone's music, everyone's audio. But there's one thing that we haven't seen, right?
The basement.
Tell me about it.
It is a very cool lounge area. It has a ping pong pool table. It goes right outside to the resort spa outside. Has a shower. Even has more bedrooms also.
So the basement is a true place for teenagers to hang out. You have a ping pong table, you have a couch. My favorite color, by the way, is Stonehenge blue.
Oh, I love it. This house is fit for everybody. But there's one other thing that we haven't even seen that I love, which is the entry. Can we go outside?
Yes, let's do this.
Come with us.
So Ryan, you just saw this beautiful resort-style house with 8 bedrooms, 8.5 bathrooms, the beautiful pool, the tennis, basketball court. There's nothing in the area that's like this.
The main kitchen. I love all of the kitchens, actually.
And the lounge area downstairs. I mean, you could just throw your kids down there, or you could have adult parties upstairs also at the same
Or I
time.
could say, you know what? This is my palace. I don't want anyone else to come, and I'm closing all of these gates automatically. I'm locking them from my phone because you can do that here.
But we can't do that because we have an appointment in 5 minutes.
Yes, Ryan. Sorry, you're gonna have to go back to the city because in a few minutes we have a showing.
Okay.
You could come back this weekend if you want.
Fine. I know when I'm not wanted.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you
no,
so much
no.
for showing me the greatest house in Englewood.
You can come back anytime, Ryan.
Maybe once it's sold, possibly to you. Thank you all so much for watching.